Remedial measures of rural unemployment. Number 1. Measures of economic growth. The present economic measures and policies undertaken for the rural areas cannot employ all the rural people. So, measures should be taken to improve the economic conditions by consciously taking various steps by the government. Point number 2. Measures to make the production pattern more labor intensive. The government should adopt measures to make rural production patterns more labor intensive, which will solve the problem of rural unemployment. Point number 3. Population control. There must be adequate measures to control the population of rural areas. Birth rate should be decreased as that rate has also been decreased. And the most important thing is that proper knowledge about the consequences of overpopulation should be given to the rural people. Point number 4. Reform of land laws. Land laws should be reformed to facilitate the cultivators and to provide them their true share of land so that they can have full employment. Such a measure will definitely increase the amount of employment in the rural areas. And number 5. Employment of surplus labor. The surplus labor arising out of agriculture and village industries are to be employed in different activities. Employment generation programs should be launched keeping in mind the notion of to engage the surplus population who are to be employed either by public sector agencies or by the NGOs. Thus, from the above points, we have come to the conclusion that illiteracy and unemployment are the two crucial problems of rural development, and they go hand in hand as because if there is illiteracy, there will naturally be unemployment in those rural areas. Hence, the problems of unemployment should be consciously solved in order to improve the conditions of the rural areas. The government should take adequate strategies in the national planning and other agendas to resolve the problems of rural unemployment.